A rocking chair can be relaxing no matter what time of the day, but there's one seat in the house you don't want to rock. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned for some tips to put an end to rocking toilets right after this.
When your backyard feels like a private resort, every day is like being on vacation. So enter the Backyard Paradise contest at todayshomeowner.com for a chance to win your own luxurious landscape. The pros from Pavestone and Quikrete will design a project just for the winner's home and help Danny and his team install it. Plus, the whole process will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner. So get your yard ready for summer. Complete your entry right now at todayshomeowner.com/backyardparadise. Brought to you by Pavestone and Quikrete.
Be honest, when you sit down on a toilet, the last thing you want is for it to rock from side to side. In many cases, a simple plastic wedge placed under the toilet, followed by a bead of caulk around the base where the toilet meets the floor, will solve the problem. Sometimes it's just a loose toilet bolt that needs to be tightened. But if the bolt is spinning in place, try this. Remove the nut and the washer on the bolt and carefully inject either an epoxy glue or construction adhesive into the base of the bolt. Don't get any adhesive on the threads of the bolt. Allow this adhesive to dry overnight, then replace the washer and nut and tighten it to eliminate the rocking. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.